I'm Arthur, and this is the dog news. Duh duh. Barbecue is a little dog. He's a French bulldog and he smells. I like Barbecue because he's cute. I play games with Barbecue like the jumping up and down game and the 10-pin bowling game. I like to take Barbecue on a walk to the park sometimes. It's boring and I rather be playing with Lego. He needs a walk once or twice a day, it depends. Barbecue is a pets therapy dog. He helps people with phobias. He doesn't play with them exactly. Sometimes he helps people in hospitals and sometimes he helps people who just don't like animals. The best thing about Barbecue is that he's a cute dog and he's my pet and he was a Christmas present. The thing I don't like about Barbecue is that he has the worst farts ever.